Welcome to Bio class. Today we will discuss three main classes of algae: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. So first we can start with the Chlorophyceae. The member of the Chlorophyceae called green algae, the green pigments, chlorophyll they are having. The plant body is unicellular colonial filamentous. They are having the chloroplast. And the pigments here chlorophyll A and B. Chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like, cup-shaped, different types of chloroplast. How it is we can check once. Here we can if we see this the chloroplast of this that in Chlamydomonas we have seen the chloroplast. It is cup like, it's like cup. So cup like this type of chloroplast is there in Chlamydomonas. In this type of another type is there which is in Edogonium, this belt like. See that the chloroplast is not looks like that common chloroplast that we know. Here in Spirogyra it is the spiral type of chloroplast. This type of chloroplast is available, which is spiral looks. Other than it can form the typical some other kind of shape. It is possible. It can be star like of shaped also. Okay, so this is the cup shaped. There's the belt type of shape, the spiral shape, some special kind of star shapes, and many other kind of disc like of shape. So all this kind of shape of chloroplast is found. All right. Most of the members here, one or more storage body like pyrenoid located in chloroplast. I think this diagram already you have seen, and again if I am showing that here is a cup shaped chloroplast and this is the place, this is the pyrenoid. This is the pyrenoid. Here pyrenoid it contains the protein and starch, so they can store here the protein and starch. Many algae may store food in form of oil droplets. Okay. Now next in reproduction, you know that the reproduction is already these all are discussed in asexual and sexual type of reproduction. Now in the next page of your book you can see that one table is there that you have to study. So in habitat Chlorophyceae, habitat here it is found in the fresh water, the brackish salt water it is having. Now flagella number, flagella here it is 2 to 8. I mean 2 normally it is available up to 8. It is apical, it means this portion is apical and the equal size of that flagella it is available. Cell wall is cellulose, made up of cellulose. Stored food as starch like higher plant also, and main pigment is chlorophyll A and B, which is green in color. So these are the called green algae. Sexual reproduction by here isogamy and anisogamy oogamous types, and here is the example. The example you have to keep in mind. Okay, Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Eleutheryx, Spirogyra cara. Look at here this example that there are several examples, but these examples are important, which is there in especially there in your book. Next is Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae is a brown algae found in marine habitat. It is freshwater is not found, and it is having the height of 100 meters. I mean very long branched filamentous that kind of it is present. It possesses the chlorophyll A and C, carotenoid, xanthophylls, and fucoxanthin, due to that the brown color is there. If we can see this the photosynthetic pigment of the different groups. So here previous we saw that the chlorophyll A and the B, so these are the green in color. Here in brown algae we saw that the carotenoid, keratin, xanthophyll, fucoxanthin. So these colors are brown based, yellowish brown, greenish brown. So that is why it is called brown algae. All right. Food is stored in as a complex carbohydrate, laminin or mannitol. So these are complex polysaccharide material. The vegetative cell have a cellulosic wall which is covered by gelatinous coating of algin. This algin it is composed of alginic acid. Okay. So this algin it is composed of alginic acid. It is kind of the polysaccharides. You know that it is now it is very important nowadays. It is we are using in medicines, high blood pressure and something like that. Now mannitol and laminin, that also you have to understand. Take this one. Laminin, it is a glucose molecule here. Here it is linked, beta glucose, it is linked with 1,3, that kind of bond. Okay. So in further part when we will learn biochemistry, that time we will learn all this. Okay. So some basic idea that I want to give you here. Suppose look at here, the cellulose, it is a beta glucose, bond is 1/4, one carbon with the 4th carbon, and it looks like that, and look at its shape, it is straight. But in starch, that amylose and amylopectin will see the next rhodophyte, it is there in Floridian starch. Where it is a little bit coiled. Here it is some branches there, you can see that branch here in shape, that part. And in glycogen it is animal and fungi, it is found, it is highly branched. So see that the basic things is glucose, whether it is alpha and beta, and the bond here it differs, the branch where it is found or not, and whether the branch is highly branched or the less branch, or it is coiled or it is straight. This difference only there in their cell wall. Okay. All right. The plant body usually attached with the substratum by holdfast and has a stalk, the stripe, and the leaf-like photosynthetic organ, the frond. Let's see this one in your book's diagram. Book's diagram, you can see it. Here it is holdfast, which is the which they can hold in the substratum, and the frond, which is leaf-like, looks leaf, and stripe this part. See that the stripe this part, which is the stalk-like. So these are there already. It is told that it is thallus-like, that root, stem and leaf, it is not differentiated and it is not there. All right. So next part we can see that here asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is mostly brown algae by biflagellate zoospore. They are pear-shaped and have two unequal lateral attached flagella. You have to see the diagram, otherwise it is difficult to understand. Look at here. I think you can see the part here. Here this one, the biflagellate, zoospore, and the gamete also. Look at here carefully. If we enlarge it, you can see, I think. This one flagella, it is fringed. It is known as tinsel. Another one is normal, and the shape is, you can say that is pear-shaped. Okay. So, and in case of gamete and the zygote also, all these are flagellate. Okay, the gametes are piriformed, attached to the flagella, and these are the examples you have to keep in mind. Okay, rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae, they are commonly called red algae because of their color, red pigment, or phycoerythrin, that color. Already we told about that, this pigments. And here stored food, the Floridian starch. Floridian starch is very similar to amylopectin and the glycogen structure. Okay. Let's once again take that photo. Amylopectin here. Here amylopectin. It is alpha D glucose, and this type of bond is there, and it means it is some branch is there. Some branch is there which is not a very complicated branch like glycogen, and also not like the lace coil structure of amylose. Okay. So another thing you have to keep in mind, the carrageen, that mucilage covering which is there, and it is actually that polysulfate ester which is covered the pectin and the cellulose. I mean cell wall, if we talk about here cellulose. So and these are also very important in commercial use, in food, in the industry it is used. Another is agar. Agar also grouped in this, the rhodophyceae, and I think you know about its. Okay, so this is also made up of complex of polysaccharides. Okay. Okay, reproduction in rhodophyceae is usually fragmentation, but they can do asexual and the sexual reproduction. But here one interesting fact is that all the spores they are produced, these are non-motile. Non-motile spores they are producing. Look at here, the male reproductive, these are not sperm, it is called the spermatia. Okay, see that these are, it moves water flow. These are non-motile, I mean only water flow they can move. So in this way that reproduction will take place. Okay, so this is an interesting fact you have to keep in mind, and here is that examples also you have to keep in mind. Now here is up to algae we have completed. Next will be that bryophytes, Okay, next day we will do that. Thank you.